of the wooded area. We're still not seeing anything. Not even a bird. Maybe we came the wrong time. But it was so hot earlier. Well, these flowers are really pretty. They just kind of came about. Alright, here's another picture of an airplane. Or video, I'm sorry. And the clouds are looking kind of like it's gonna rain soon. It is a nice rain formation. Here's it all here. We got our second airplane. Chong's very excited about these airplanes. He loves his airplanes. That's okay. We got 2 airplanes today. We don't get a critter, it's alright. What are you gonna do in life? It is what it is. Okay, me and Chong found a new trail. Supposed to be a new nature walk. I was hoping to find some kind of interesting animal, but it is a beautiful area. I do hear birds in the mist. They do have really unique birds in these reservations, but sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. So I don't know what to say. I guess it is what it is. But Chong, he's had 2 water breaks. We walked quite far out because I was trying to find a new area. My brother and me soon will be scouting new locations together. Just to liven up things for everybody. See, he wants to go all deep in here. I already got like 20 mosquito bites from yesterday. I'm not trying to get any more mosquito bites. I think they're trying to bite me through my pants. Watch out for the mosquitoes.